Nana, 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 nana. Whoa! Wow! So many animals. Wow! Camel, tiger, spider. Wow! Horse, giraffe, and dinosaur. So guys, here we have so many beautiful animals and a basket. I will collect all this into this. Let's start collecting. Wow! Camel, beautiful orange color camel. And whoa, wow, tiger, beautiful tiger guys, wild animal. And spider, big size, giant size spider. Whoa, elephant. And wow, beautiful butterfly. And whoa, blue stingray. This is a sea animal. And the next one is wow, octopus. This is also a sea animal. And whoa, wow, zebra. And whoa, wow, lion. And the next one is wow, brown bear. This is a wild animal. And green chameleon. And the next one is whoa, wow, amazing giraffe with beautiful colors. And wow, sea turtle. Look at this beautiful sea turtle. And the next one is whoa, wow, rhinoceros. And here we have horse, beautiful gray color horse, amazing guys. This is a farm animal. And wow, dinosaur, big size, giant size dinosaur guys, amazing. And the last one is whoa, wow, cobra snake, big size, giant size cobra snake. And here we have so many animals in basket. Like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye guys.